Hello, my name is Ashley.Lundy at Guaranty Chevrolet in Junction City. Today we are inside the showroom to show you a quick peek at a brand new 2020 Newmar Bay Star. This is the 3005 floor plan. So we're looking at just over 30 feet long. We've got our awning out here, lights on, it's all ready to show. So for 2020, Newmar is still using the Ford V10, Triton V10 that you're used to seeing in gas coaches. So many similar layouts for you. Do have a few minor little changes to our decor. Love it when we have these ottomans. Of course, that turns into a bed, that turns into a bed. And my personal favorite, the 4-door. This is by Norcold Refrigerator. So this is an RV style fridge. It's not full residential, so it can run off propane as well as electric. Here you're going to have counter space, double sink. You can see the beautiful designs that they did here. This is gorgeous. This is not the bottom of the barrel here, guys. Back here, you're going to find the bedroom and the bathroom. And if you take a look in there, beautiful shower accents, glass doors. And they give us some really nice storage here. You have both clothing storage and pantry storage. This has our, if you can kind of take a peek, our little pull-out shelves there. I love that. They slide very nice because this is a Newmar. These are all handcrafted by Newmar, not purchased elsewhere. We do have several of these available in different color schemes. This one, the gold and bronze, continues to the outside. And this right here behind the restroom is going to be the emergency escape door. Some people actually use it for loading in their wardrobe, especially if you have a helper. Roof access. Of course, you can see both slides over here. So 3 slides, it opens up a lot for being 30 feet and a couple inches. If you have any other questions about this, would like to see anything else we have, please don't hesitate to come visit us or give us a call. You can reach me directly at 541-337-2387. And again, my name is Ashley. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.